Today's video is for people who want to lose weight but have a very busy schedule. And because of the nature of their job, it is not easy for them to meal prep. All they do is, order food from restaurants. I'm not here to judge you. In fact, I am here to help you. And the aim of this video is to help you make better and informed choices when ordering your food from the restaurant. I'm also going to be sharing with you a one-day meal plan of a typical 9 to 5 worker. It's not even 9 to 5 again because most times we leave our house by 6 a.m. and we'll come back tonight and repeat the same cycle. And it's not easy for you to now think, okay, let me cook and all that. Some people do have the strength, some people have the help, but if you don't have the help, you don't have the strength to do that. But you want to lose weight, and you know that keep gaining weight from foods you buy from restaurants, and you're also predisposing yourself to certain health risks that are not also good for you. So let's work together and let's see how we can work with what we have, which is ordering food from restaurants, and see how we can also lose weight with it. Before I share with you the meal plan, I want to actually give you some tips, more like an advice, when you're, ordering your food from the menu. It will help you make better choices, especially for your health and your body goals. One, most times when we buy food from restaurants, most of them are heavily loaded with oil, and because of that, it's really not helpful for us. Now, there's really nothing we can do about it. There is no way we can go and say, okay, reduce the quantity of oil you use in cooking. Some people like it that way. Though I really wish everybody should come to the fact that cooking with so much oil isn't good for us. There are some foods you can't order, like ewa going. What are you looking for? No, I'm not saying you can't have it at all, but even if you want to have ewa going, for example, it's not something you have every day. The thing is, you have to carefully choose the foods you order. Other foods that are fried is something that should not really be in the menu. One trick that I usually do, though it's only when I order food sometimes, like let's say I order amala and begiri. What I'll tell them to do is, okay, please serve they serve the amala and portions too really matter, which is where I'm also coming to your begiri. Serve the begiri, they serve the ewedu, but I tell them specifically, of course, begiri is cooked with oil, but not so much oil compared to the soup, the stew, the tomato soup that they use in serving it. So I tell them that, okay, don't serve me stew, just give me meat. And of course, the meat has been soaked in stew. The stew from the meat I usually use in eating, and to be sincere, it's even enough because it's also loaded with oil. Another thing I want you to note too is the portion sizes. I understand you've worked yourself and you're tired and you're so hungry, and you feel that it's a very large portion of food that will satisfy you. Most of the times, no, because most times you've eaten so much quantity of food, you start having this guilt, like, oh, why did I eat this much? I mean, I shouldn't have eaten this much and all that. But what you can do is, what I would advise you to do is drink water first when you're really hungry before your food comes. That will even help and give you a level of satisfaction. And your food portion shouldn't be much. If you're ordering food from the restaurant, don't say, okay, maybe fill the takeaway. Portion sizes matter. Of course, you can't count calories because you don't know the quantity of ingredients, you don't know the amount of oil that was used in cooking, you don't know the quantity that was served, and there is no way you can even measure with your food scale to be able to give exact calories. But there's a way you can gauge. If I order jollof rice, for example, I'll just tell them, okay, maybe a 7 spoon or two with salad and with grilled chicken. I would also not do anything fried protein if I am ordering food from the menu. That should work. So that is what I'm going to be sharing with you. And let's do the meal plan. It's a normal, relatable, and sustainable meal plan, and it's nothing out of the ordinary. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. And also, if you'd like a personalized meal plan based on you want us to work with what you eat and also with your time schedule, definitely we can create that for you. Have a great day. Bye. Fruits are a very great choice for breakfast, especially when you have them whole or you blend them into a smoothie because they are very filling and they will also give you sustained energy levels till lunch. I would not advise you to do fruit juice, okay, because you get rid of the fiber from juicing, but having whole fruits is way more beneficial. For lunch, I ordered moi moi with salad and grilled chicken. Remember, we are not doing anything fried protein, and because we are having this whole balanced diet, it's really filling because of the protein and especially the fiber there. Now you can do a catfish pepper soup or this grilled fish salad with watermelon juice I ordered. And because we're still filled from lunch, so we shouldn't do something too heavy. And trust me, this is still very filling, this is still very nutritious, and you still eat in a calorie deficit without meal prepping. So you see, it doesn't have to be hard. You can always work with what you have. Let me know if you like this video. Thank you.